In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on subtitles in Udemy. Navigating online courses can sometimes feel like you're trying to learn in a bustling cafe. It's easy to miss crucial information amidst the noise, particularly for learners whose first language isn't English or those who prefer reading along while listening. Subtitles can be a game changer. If you're here, you're probably looking to make your Udemy learning experience more accessible and productive by enabling subtitles. Let's dive into how you can do just that, step by step. First off, let's start with the basics. Logging into your Udemy account. Head over to the top right corner of the Udemy homepage. There you'll see the login button beckoning for a click. Go ahead and click on it. This is your first step towards a more inclusive learning experience. Upon clicking login, you'll be directed to a page where various sign-in options are presented. For a quick and seamless login, click on the Google icon. This option allows Google to handle the login process by using your existing account information. It's a nifty shortcut that saves you the hassle of remembering another password. After you click on the Google icon, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This might be a familiar step if you've used Google to log into other services. Select the account you'd like to use for Udemy, and you'll be well on your way. Once logged in, your journey continues on the Udemy platform. Look for the My Learning option, which should now be visible in the navigation bar. This is where all the courses you've enrolled in are neatly stored. Click on My Learning to proceed to the next step. Within My Learning, you'll find the course you want to watch. Go ahead and hit play on your course. As the video starts, you might notice it's missing something crucial for your learning, the subtitles, but don't worry, that's exactly what we're here to fix. Now look toward the lower part of the video player. You'll see various icons there, but the one you're interested in looks like a tiny dialog box. This is the captions icon. Clicking this icon brings us one step closer to our goal. After clicking the captions icon, you'll see a list of available subtitle languages. This is the moment where you choose the subtitle language that best suits your needs. Click on your preferred subtitle language and voila, you've enabled subtitles for your Udemy course. But before we conclude, here are a few additional tips to enhance your Udemy experience with subtitles. Remember, not all courses may offer subtitles in your preferred language, so it's worth checking the course details before enrolling if subtitles are essential for you. If you encounter any issues with the subtitles, such as timing or accuracy, don't hesitate to reach out to Udemy support for help. They're there to ensure your learning experience is as smooth as possible. In summary, enabling subtitles on Udemy is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your learning experience. By following the steps we've outlined today, you can ensure no valuable information slips through the cracks. Whether you're learning a new skill, brushing up on a hobby, or diving into a professional development course, subtitles can help you grasp and retain information more effectively. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Learning how to activate subtitles on Udemy is a small step that can make a big difference in your educational journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the tools to tailor your learning experience are right at your fingertips. Stay curious and happy learning.